Hello everyone. Today in this video we'll create a fantastic loader and a spinner using CSS. I have to create the HTML structure first. I need a container div and a spinner div and a circle div. I'm copying the spinner and a circle div again. My HTML structure is completed now. I will link the CSS with my HTML. I'm typing some common CSS now. Margin 0, fading also 0, box sizing border box. I want the background color of the site, it will be black, and the content will middle of the page. I have created a custom snippet for display flags, align item center, justify context center. You can watch the video. And the height, it will 100 dph. The container, both the width and the height of the container will be 96 pixel. Position relative, it will also center. And the spinner, position will absolute. Border radius 50%. Border style solid. Animation, I will create an animation called loader. 3-second linear infinite. The spinner answer first. Within the height, it will 70%. Color, it will purple. Border color, current color, it means purple here. Border width, top and right 3 pixel, bottom left 0. Degree minus 45 degree. Animation direction, it will normal. I am copying the snippet for the second child and updating it. The color will yellow. Border color, it will current color, transparent and transparent. It will 135 degree. Animation direction, it will reverse. The border width, top 3 pixel, right bottom 0 and the left also 3 pixel. And the circle, position will absolute with 50%. Height 2 pixel. Top and the left both 50%. Background color, it will transparent. Transform rotate bar -50 degree. Transform origin left. Under the circle before, position will absolute. Top and right minus 8 pixel. Content, it will empty string. Width and height, it will 16 pixel. Background color, current color. Border radius 50%. Box shadow 00 32 pixel. It will 64 pixel, it will 96 pixel, it will 128 pixel, it will 144 pixel. Finally, I have to create the loader animation. Transform rotate 1 turn. My loader is showing good now. Please practice it. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel.